Book of Heaven, Volume 12, January 27th, 1919. The Three Mortal Wounds of the Heart of Jesus. As I was in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus on coming made me see his adorable heart, all full of wounds, from which rivers of blood gushed out. And all sorrowful he told me,
"My daughter, among the many wounds that my heart contains, there are 3 wounds which give me mortal pains and such bitterness of sorrow as to surpass all the other wounds together. These are the pains of my loving souls. When I see a soul, all mine, suffering because of me, tortured, trampled upon, ready to suffer even the most painful death for me, I feel her pains as if they were my own, and maybe even more. Ah, love knows how to open deeper gashes, to the extent of making one not feel the other pains. Into this first wound enters my dear Mama as the first. Oh, how her heart, pierced because of my pains, overflowed into mine, and felt vividly all its piercings. And in seeing her dying, yet not dying because of my death, I felt the torment, the harshness of her martyrdom in my heart, and I felt the pains of my death, which the heart of my dear Mama felt, and my heart died together with hers. So all my pains, united together before the pains of my Mama, surpassed everything. It was right that my celestial Mama have the first place in my heart, both in sorrow and in love, because each pain suffered for love of me opened seas of graces and of love which poured into her pierced heart. Into this wound enter all the souls who suffer because of me, and out of pure love. You yourself enter into it, and even if all offended me and no one loved me, I would find in you the love which can compensate me for all. Therefore, when creatures cast me away and force me to run away from them, very quickly I come to take refuge in you as in my hiding place, and finding my own love, not theirs, and suffering only for me, I say, I do not regret having created heaven and earth and having suffered so much. A soul who loves me and who suffers for me is all my contentment, my happiness, my reward for everything I have done. And as though putting all the rest aside, I delight and play with her. However, this wound of love in my heart, while it is the most painful, such as to surpass everything, it contains 2 effects at the same time. It gives me intense pain and highest joy, unspeakable bitterness and indescribable sweetness, painful death and glorious life. These are the excesses of my love, inconceivable to created mind. And in fact, how many contentments did my heart not find in the sorrows of my pierced Mama? The second mortal wound of my heart is ingratitude. With ingratitude, the creature closes my heart. Even more, she herself turns the key with double locks, and my heart swells because it wants to pour graces and love, and it cannot, because the creature has closed it and has put on it the seal with her ingratitude. And I become delirious, I agonize, without hope that this wound may be healed, because ingratitude keeps embittering it more and more, giving me mortal pain. The third one is obstinacy. What mortal wound for my heart! Obstinacy is the destruction of all the goods I have done for the creature. It is the signature of declaration that the creature places, that she no longer recognizes me, that she no longer belongs to me. It is the key of hell into which the creature goes to hurl herself. My heart feels the tearing of it. It is torn to pieces, and I feel one of those pieces being taken away from me. What mortal wound obstinacy is! My daughter, enter into my heart and take part in these wounds of mine. Compassionate my tormented heart, let us suffer together and let us pray.
I entered into his heart. How painful but beautiful it was to suffer and pray with Jesus. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.